Hello teachers, this training will teach you how to access the Learning Continuum within the MAP software program. This is the home page of MAP. When you get to the home page, the first thing you want to do is go over to this left column and go under MAP Growth Reports. Well, you'll click View Reports first and then MAP Growth Reports. When you go to MAP Growth Reports, you'll have different reports that you're able to choose. For the Learning Continuum, we're going to click the one that says Learning Continuum. When you get here, you want to be sure that this is set to the time period that we're in. I'm going to choose Spring 2017-18 for training purposes. All of these windows populate automatically, but you can change the class you're in, especially if you're departmentalized. You might want to see a different teacher's class. And then the test. If you're teaching reading, you have a language arts test and a reading test, or if you need to do the math or the science, you would change that there. Click View Report. Now we're into the Learning Continuum for reading. There are three domains, literature, informational text, and vocabulary acquisition and use. When you click on an element under the main domain, it breaks it down. You can click into different groups. These numbers on the left are the student's RIT level. In the middle, it tells you what they will need work on, and then over here on the right, you have the students' names. And under the students' names, please notice that it has their overall RIT and it has their Lexile range from their independent level to their instructional level. Please remember that the independent level is the first 100 numbers. So for this student here, it would be 159 to 259 is his independent level, and you would start actually instructing him on 259 to 309. So he would need to work on author's craft in figurative language, imagery, description, visuals. Okay, so it breaks the kids up into groups. It's good for guided reading, and you can use this learning continuum to help differentiate your learning and actually say what exactly does the child need to work on. Okay, so you can print this button. You would just go all the way back to the top. After you open, be sure you open all of the different domains if you would like those. So if I print it right here, and if I need to be sure I open this one. And scroll down, that's all the different ones. So if you want if you're just doing literature or informational, you want to open them before you click print so that all of the information will print. So I'm going to click print to show you what that would look like. So right now I have just 7 sheets of paper, and that's a little bit about how to access the Learning Continuum in MAP.